XRP holders, we have breaking news regarding the Clarity Act. I think it's going to actually get passed, and not only passed, but passed this weekend. They're going to get a vote. It's going to be this weekend. All the fake news is coming out, and I think they're doing this on purpose. They're trying to get everybody sidelined, shake everybody out before the real move. Let's go ahead and take a look at the latest update regarding the Crypto Clarity Act.
Leading the charge on the Clarity Act, Wyoming Senator Cynthia Lummis back with us. She's the chairwoman of the Senate Subcommittee on Digital Assets. And Senator, it's great to see you this morning. Thanks so much for joining us.
My pleasure, Maria. Good morning.
Where does it stand right now? When we were together the last time, you said you're hoping that you could actually get this passed before you all leave for recess, which is supposed to be this Friday.
Maria, I don't think we'll be leaving on Friday. I think we'll go into the weekend. There are other bills in addition to the Clarity Act that we need to take votes on before we leave for the August recess. And Clarity is one of those bills. So I do believe that we will get a vote on the Clarity Act and get people on the record. After 11 months of negotiating with Democrats and adding 300 plus pages to the bill at their request, it's just time to get people on the record.
Well, that's right.
There is going to be a vote this weekend, most likely. It's possible, it might not happen, but I think the probability is rather high. And I think, based on what she is saying, that they've added these additional documents, these additional pages to get it favorable to the Democrats. And we can see that Senator Tom Tillis says the White House is reportedly engaging with lawmakers on bipartisan ethics provisions for the Clarity Act. We've got people working with the White House right now. They're going through some of the lines right now. So basically what that means is at the current moment, within the Clarity Act bill, there are things that Democrats are not happy with, not okay with. In the White House right now, they're doing what they can to get it done. So I think it's going to get done. And I think it's going to be at the last minute. There's going to be a huge surprise. The market is going to go absolutely crazy. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comments below. We even see tokenized platinum is live on the XRP ledger. That's a very bullish thing. And as well as this is pretty breaking news. Ripple just seized control of Europe's future. Every other coin is about to get wrecked. Ripple just secured full MiCA CASP authorization across all 30 EEA nations. While the rest of crypto is still scrambling for scraps, institutions can now move billions through Ripple payments under one fully regulated relationship. This isn't just a license, it's the death sentence for unregulated coins. Banks, fintechs, and corporations are flooding in. XRP is the only one built for this regulated era. If you're not positioned in XRP right now, you're about to watch the biggest institutional wave leave you behind forever. This is honestly insane. So not only is there crypto regulation and the Clarity Act taking place in the United States, there was a whole thing about a month ago in Europe that if you didn't get this MiCA license, you have to leave Europe. You can't provide services. So a lot of exchanges, a lot of crypto projects are basically cut out of Europe, and that includes Binance. But guess who got the license in Europe? That's Ripple. Ripple has the license, and what is the product behind Ripple? That is XRP. So this is going to bring in lots of institutions, big money into XRP, and XRP is about to skyrocket. If you're not positioned in XRP right now, you're about to watch the biggest institutional wave leave you behind forever. This is the time to buy XRP, ladies and gentlemen. You want to be buying XRP as much as possible. XRP is forming an incredibly bullish pattern. You can see XRP is consolidating. It is compressing. And if we look at the RSI, although prices traveling lower, you can see prices moving lower. Guess what's happening? Behind the scenes, we can see the volume is moving up. Buyers are stepping in here. And we are seeing seller exhaustion. This is a bullish RSI divergence. You have price moving lower, RSI is moving higher. There's a bullish RSI divergence. It shows you exhaustion. It shows you exhaustion, and we are seeing the exhaustion of sellers. I believe that this is the bottom for XRP. We're very, very close. Yes, it can leg down, it can do whatever, but it's a short-lived thing. It's a very short-term thing. And I think XRP is going to do exceptionally well. In my opinion, if they pass the Clarity Act, we could see XRP potentially skyrocket to $2. We could go to $2 in the next couple of weeks. And another quite interesting thing here is if we take a look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is breaking out. You see this bear market that Bitcoin has been in for just about a year. This blue line, every time we come to it, we reject. But we broke out of it here. And when we did break out of this resistance, Bitcoin pumped 15%. That took us to 83K. And Bitcoin is now breaking out of this pattern over here. Let me show you. Here we have Bitcoin. I'm going to draw my resistance to this level. Bitcoin is on the very verge of breaking out here, which if it copies that breakout, when Bitcoin broke out from this level to this level here, Bitcoin pumped 15% or so, 15%. So if Bitcoin copies and breaks out of here, we form a similar pattern, that should take us to around $75,000, which is my price prediction in this summer for Bitcoin to go to. And if we get this Clarity Act, I think that would be quite likely that Bitcoin could pump to 75K. Altcoins would pump very hard, XRP included. And it's about to literally take place right now. And we also have the war ending. So they're going to be opening up the Strait of Hormuz apparently any minute now. It's supposed to be today. They're supposed to make an announcement, but I guess they pushed the announcement to Friday. So that is very, very exciting. As you can see, oil is crashing. So I'm quite excited about that. But we're going to have to see about this Clarity Act. I think it's going to be done this weekend. And if it is going to pump XRP like crazy. Make sure you guys join my free community, the Alpha channel. In my paid community, we are up 2x on CashCat. We bought CashCat and this thing is ripping. If you guys want to get signals, know exactly when I'm entering into positions before they pop off, join my community. You could try it today for free. And I even gave it into my free Alpha channel. So check that out. We are up on that one. We are also up massively on Pump. Everyone's up 40%. Some people on the free channel are up 100% on Pump. So check that out, guys. If you guys are going to be trading cryptos, make sure you guys are trading over on Toobit. You have 0 fees when it comes to trading. And if you sign up with my link, there's a whole bunch of massive bonuses for people with my link only and VIP 3. So check that out. If you guys got anything out of the video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing, notifications on, and I will see you later.